The sulk bulk. The bulk bent a tent that was pink. Then his hand got a lump and a bump. "I want this lump to be sunk," said the bulk. The sad bulk had a big yell and a sulk.
"I think I can fix it,"
said Milk Rink, the dog. Milk Rink sat on the left of the camp. So off went the bulk to Milk Rink's tent. Bulk sat on a bank with his limp, lump hand.
"If you want to be bulk,"
Milk Rink said to the bulk,
"don't hit a tent. You must be a gent. Be soft like the wind on a pond,"
said Milk Rink. The bulk had a grin and drank his mint milk.